5 months ago on the channel, I pointed out GILT when the stock was just $6 a share. Thus far, the prediction is coming true as the stock has rocketed 100% to $12.68 as of December 12th. But is the stock still a buy, or have some investors already missed out? What is Gilat? Gilat is a communications company based in Israel, operating in a high-value chain offering ground equipment which enables satellites to communicate back and forth to Earth. Clearly a sticky, important spot to be in the chain. If the ground equipment goes down, then both the satellite and the end user both become duds. Gilat operates in three main segments: commercial, defense, and Peru. Peru is Gilat's solution to connect Peru rural lands with connection to the digital world. Defense, Gilat supports military communication solutions for land, sea, and air. For example, Gilat's ManPax offers real-time intelligence to analyze on-the-ground data, including video and telephony connections. The SkyEdge systems support this ground communication designed for multi-orbit constellations. Before we analyze Gilat's Q3 report, Intrendia's is getting a new name, YouDomo. New name, same ownership. Easily visualize financial statements with the YouDomo Atlas, or easily download financial statement data with the YouDomo API in Python and Excel to automate your fundamental analysis. Check out youdomo.com. Sign up is free. How was Q3 earnings? Overall, I believe Q3 earnings was pretty good. Gilat is clearly growing and the market is catching up given the rise in stock price in the past couple of months. Here are some Q3 highlights. For revenue, $117.7 million compared to $74.6 million in Q3 2024. GAAP operating income $7.5 million compared to $6.7 million in Q3 2024. Adjusted EBITDA $15.6 million compared to $10.7 million in Q3 2024. The stock underwent a 19% sell-off before recovering back to $12, finding support at the lower Bollinger Band. So what gives? Sounds like a good quarter, but a sell-off. I sold batches of stock at 10.50 and another batch at 13.5. The market went through some profit taking, I believe. Plus, the earnings had some cons. Stellar Blue headwinds, supply chain issues slowing down the production map, and revenues from Stellar Blue after the acquisition declined from $36 million to $30 million in Q3. The product mix at Gilat and the operating expenses are suppressing margins. R&D has increased from $9.5 million to $11.5 million this quarter, and selling marketing increased from $6.6 million to $9.1 million in Q3. However, Gilat continues to take orders. But even with these cons in the recent quarter, Gilat has been winning military and commercial contracts left and right. There continues to be high demand for this company as of late, with no signs of slowing down. So given the stock's continued impressive revenue growth, orders, and strong 2025 guidance, is Gilat stock still a buy even after a 100% run? I think Gilat still has potential for growth. This tech stock is not a traditional blue chip mature stock. However, let's look at the valuation. GILT is overvalued when solely comparing GILT to its historic self. Makes sense as the stock has increased 100% since the last time we discussed the stock. From December 2024 to September 2025, the quarterly average price to sales of Gilat is 4.8. GILT traded at a 7.1 in September. If we look at annual revenue, GILT in the past 3 months has traded at an average price to sales of 1.2. If we use the guidance provided in Q3, the total revenue from each segment is a low of 442 or a high of 464. Assuming 64 million shares outstanding, the potential price of GILT, if it were to trade at a 1.2 price to sales, the stock would be at $8.75 or $9.19. So these prices are not great. However, we need to remember that Gilat is rapidly growing their fundamentals. Part of the premium we are now paying for this stock is because of the increasing fundamentals, which are better than they were 3 years ago, hence the higher price. Let's compare Gilat to the telecommunications market. GILT trades at a discount on an EBITDA basis. As of the beginning of the year, the telecommunications equipment industry trades at an EBITDA of 21.7 compared to GILT at 17.4. GILT trades at a discount compared to the telecommunications industry on an EBITDA basis. Investors are willing to pay $17.40 in enterprise value for every dollar of EBITDA GILT generates. However, on average, investors are willing to pay $21.70 for other telecommunication companies per dollar EBITDA generated. In my previous video, we discussed that GILT is growing faster compared to the electronic tech sector on both an annual revenue and free cash flow perspective. With the revenue beat and continued orders coming in, I believe it is safe to say that the growth is strong. GILT is in a strong position. GILT is growing faster than the industry but continues to trade at a discount. Of course, not financial advice, but will GILT be a main position in my portfolio? I don't think so. Google and Amazon continue to be my personal main positions for my own financial journey. But I believe GILT has a seat in my portfolio as a side bet because of its continued growth and discount valuation compared to peers. Thank you for watching till the end of the video. If you enjoy this type of analysis, consider subscribing to the channel. Again, new name in Trendias is now YouDomo. Check out youdomo.com for API and visualization solutions for financial statements.